Laurie, Bettina, look at showcase number 1.
Your showcase features prizes delivered to our train depot by the Price is Right train. And here she comes now, loaded with prizes, and the first car that pulls in is carrying a new range. A beautiful high-style gas range featuring self-cleaning oven, digital timing center, black glass oven door front, waist-high broiler, and oven and lift-off cooktop from White Westinghouse. And on the next flat car, we find a lovely organ. A beautiful Hammond organ model 142, spotlighting its new digital rhythm, synthesized voices, and built-in Leslie speakers. Hammond with the often imitated sound. But at the end of the train, we don't have a caboose. Instead, it's a convertible commuter car. The Zoe Zipper Convertible, this three-wheel vehicle, delivers up to 80 miles to the gallon, makes in-town driving most cost-efficient fun you've ever had. And this showcase, featuring prizes delivered to our priceless train depot, can be yours if the price is right. Your showcase contains prizes revealed during our story of Miss Prim and John, the construction worker. Our story opens with Miss Prim taking her lunch break at the local park. But today will be different, as John, a friendly construction worker, also stops to dine and immediately falls in love. Trying to break the ice, John suggests that Miss Prim's dainty wrist would look even more attractive if she wore this new ladies' diamond wristwatch. Benrith's ladies' superbly designed gold-toned quartz watch, 20 genuine diamonds, a circle champagne dial, stunning mesh bracelet from Benrith. In response to his kind offer, Miss Prim slaps the romantic stranger with her purse and moves away. Sensing a challenge, John moves closer and suggests that she let him take her to dinner because he never goes anywhere without $1,000 in cash. Still unimpressed, Miss Prim smacks him again. Now, in serious pain, but even more in love, John tries another approach and suggests they go back to his pad to watch The Young and the Restless on his new projection TV. An RCA projection TV with digital command center, 45-inch screen, and 2-channel 4-speaker sound system. Cabinets made of pecan solids in contemporary styling with handsome full-door front. Well, Miss Prim nails poor John with her killer purse once more. But just before he slips into unconsciousness, John begs her to please take him to the hospital in his new sport truck. A Toyota 4-wheel drive, high-speed short bed truck, a great way to get into the rough country and back again. Comes with all the standard equipment plus these options: AM/FM stereo cassette, steel-belted radial tires, chrome double-tube rear bumper, chrome spoke wheels, chrome brush guard, chrome front bumper, off-road lights, chrome light bar, special custom paint, and California emission. And your showcase, in which our love-struck hero is already feeling better thanks to a very helpful Miss Prim, can be yours if the price is right.
Laurie, your bid was $5,950. Laurie, the actual retail price of your showcase is $8,650, a difference of $2,700. You have to be closer than that, Bettina. Without going over to win your showcase, you have bid $18,550. Actual retail price of your showcase, $17,788. You're over. You win. You win. She was looking so unhappy, I don't believe she realized that Bettina had gone over. Thank you for being on the show. Yes. Laurie, you did it. You won your showcase. Yes. Now, this is Bob Barker reminding you to help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered. Goodbye, everybody.
This is Johnny Olson speaking for The Price is Right, a Mark Goodson television production.